You are an exquisite response mechanism, physiologically speaking. And so today I want to talk about that intricate homeostasis with this extremely dynamic interplay of various interlocking biochemical and physiologic pathways. Homeostatic systems like the ECS help our bodies maintain equilibrium of all of these different physiologic systems in a very rapidly changing world. In the previous video, we discussed how plant adaptogens can teach us about homeostasis because the function of plant adaptogens is to help our bodies deal with these stressful changes. Adaptogens increase non-specific resistance to stress and decrease sensitivity to stressors, which can result in more stable and robust biologic systems. There are 9 major biochemical pathways where adaptogens help maintain homeostasis, and many adaptogens will stabilize more than one of these 9, leading to additive and synergistic effects. And when we use multiple different plants together at the same time, which is most of the time the best way to use botanicals is to use combinations, this synergy can be enhanced even further. Today I want to talk about one particular pathway that some people say is the holy grail of inflammation and aging, the nitric oxide pathway. Nitric oxide in our bodies is a critical signaling molecule for the heart and cardiovascular system, for the immune response, and for communication between nerve cells in neurotransmission. Nitric oxide is a gas that is produced by nearly all of the cells in the body, and it helps relax and dilate blood vessels, and it helps maintain good, healthy blood pressure. As I mentioned, all of the cells in our body create nitric oxide, but especially inside of our arteries that deliver oxygenated blood to our cells, the arteries, the endothelial cells in particular, produce a lot of nitric oxide. And as we age, nitric oxide production decreases in certain areas, such as the circulatory system. Luckily, we have a number of plant adaptogens that can help with this. When there's a disruption in this pathway, that can lead to various health issues and can contribute to high blood pressure, impaired blood flow, erectile dysfunction, and also can set the stage for rapid onset and progression of cardiovascular diseases. And also, it definitely affects nervous system as well. Improper levels of nitric oxide in our brain can disrupt essential neurologic functions, contributing to development and progression of various neurologic diseases. This intricate balance of nitric oxide in the nervous system is crucial for maintaining normal brain function and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. And adaptogens that can help balance this, adaptogenic botanicals, include rhodiola, licorice, schizandra berries, one of my favorite, baronia, and ginseng. And interestingly, also recent studies have indicated that good nitric oxide balancing can influence the human gut flora, something that is very important not only for inflammation but for proper neural functioning. So we're getting this overlapping and enmeshing of these biochemical pathways. And other natural ways that you can support nitric oxide in your body, in addition to the plants, vitamin C can help prevent the breakdown of nitric oxide. Exercise helps our body naturally produce more nitric oxide, and nasal breathing through the nose as opposed to mouth breathing. When we breathe through our nose, that stimulates enzymes that create an increased release of nitric oxide, another good reason to breathe through our nose. Excess nitric oxide production is associated with inflammatory diseases, with neurotoxicity. This overlaps with adaptogenic functions for the inflammatory cascade, which I'll be discussing in another video. So stay tuned. I'm Dr. Jake Felice at Sweetwater Holistic and sweetwaterholistic.com. Thank you so very much for listening. Really appreciate you enjoying these videos and looking forward to our next topic. Cheers.